Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs. Welcome back po sa ating channel. Merry Christmas po sa inyo. Update po tayo sa mga hashtag walang pasok. Ito po, proclamation number 1110. Tuesday po, January 6, 2026. Special non-working day in the city of Oroqueta, province of Misamis Occidental. Ito ay dahil ang city of Oroqueta, Misamis Occidental will mark celebration of its 56th charter anniversary and its 96th anniversary as the capital of the province of Misamis Occidental. Happy charter and happy anniversary sa Oroqueta City. Ito pa, proclamation number 1118. Friday naman ito, January 9, 2026, ay special non-working day in the city of Coronadal, province of South Cotabato. Ito ay dahil sa Coronadal City, South Cotabato will mark the celebration of its 86th founding anniversary and the 2026 Coronadal Hinuguyaw Festival on January 10, 2026, which falls on a Saturday. Happy founding anniversary and happy festival po dyan sa Coronadal City. Ito pa, proclamation number 1116, declaring Tuesday, January 27, 2026, a special non-working day in the municipality of Tantangan, province of South Cotabato. Ito ay dahil sa January 27, 2026, Tuesday, sa Tantangan, South Cotabato will mark its 65th founding anniversary and the 16th Kulitangtang Festival. Happy founding anniversary at happy festival dyan sa Tantangan, South Cotabato. Ito pa, proclamation number 1115, declaring Saturday, January 31, 2026, a special non-working day in the municipality of Lian, Batangas. Ito ay dahil sila ay mag-celebrate sa araw na ito ng kanilang celebration of its Liberation Day. Happy Liberation Day dyan sa Lian, Batangas. Ito pa, proclamation number 1114, declaring Monday, January 5 naman ito, 2026. Nako, extension ito ng holiday sa kanila. A special non-working day in the municipality of Bawang, province of La Union, will mark the celebration of its 440th founding anniversary. Happy founding anniversary dyan sa Bawang, province of La Union. Guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for having me. Merry Christmas po sa inyo.